I think if I went out, you know how like birds like shiny things, I would get attacked by birds.
I think you'd be built into a nest. Okay, got an exciting day today.
Why? More exciting than my gold vest?
Not much more exciting than this gold vest. That's very, I don't even know what it looks like on the camera. It's, I don't know, you guys be the judge of that. But anyway, today, Aurora, as we saw last week, she's coming along all right. It's really exciting. Slowly, but I thought we should get her like a little graduation present. Kind of exciting.
Do I get a graduation present?
No, she does, but you get to do one of your other favourite pastimes. But well, what I'm thinking, let me just show you. You just wait there one moment. And voila, just like that.
I think I look beautiful. This will be a thing. Wait till you see. Do you know on like the fancy runway, they like had some lady in horse boots like walking. This is going to be a thing.
It could be.
You saw it here first.
Yes, but a little bit like the show many years ago. I think it was called Pimp My Ride. So they took people's cars, made them look really cool. Now, clearly, for our horse,
she's my ride.
I think we won't like bedazzle my mare or bedazzle my horse. I don't know, but I was thinking, you like shopping.
That's what I do.
And I think she needs her own cool outfit.
I think she does. Bring it on. New outfit. Do I get a new outfit?
No. Oh, eventually. Yes, we're going to get you some kind of matching boots for it at one stage. But let's go bedazzle our thoroughbred.
Let's go find something cool.
Okay.
After what seemed like hours, we had narrowed down the shopping to 2 places. Now it was time to choose.
Hello! Add to cart. But do we think we like the pink pattern? It's much more pinker. That's almost purple.
I think it's prettier.
Pink glitter. I don't think we're going to get Big Bay. She hasn't. It's their graduation present when they're good.
You have to be able to
Graduation present.
You have to be able to do a full loop of the arena. Yeah.
With your head down.
Yeah. Big Bay's not there.
Yeah. Look at the champagne.
Aurora, why are we still doing her?
No, we don't get to qualify.
She's gonna qualify.
That's all really nice.
You know, these would match.
But they're a bit brown. I like the belt. Okay, so let's go to the cart. How much have we spent?
Is this a international company?
No. Dun, 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 dun.
We'd chosen her outfit, so stay tuned and find out what she got.
Tash, catch. Yeah! And just like that, it's here. It's like magic, isn't it?
Oh
so what
God,
did we
it's so
pick?
Nice.
What did we pick?
Look how nice it is.
It's very colourful.
No, look how
It's
nice.
very colourful.
Alright, so we have...
I wouldn't have got it for my horse.
What? What horse?
That's exactly right.
You would not... You would have a big Clydesdale horse.
Yes.
Oh,
So,
they're so nice.
we got this.
So nice.
And, I don't know what, there's 2 different types.
You know what? You did the saddle up challenge. What are these called?
Bell boots.
Very good.
Because they look like a bell. Ding, 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 ding.
What? I'm sorry, I didn't even...
Is that it? Ah.
Bonnie! Bonnie!
Should we put this stuff on her? Or...
Yeah, I've already written for today, but we can make sure it'll fit.
I want to see what
and
it looks
then
like.
next week, they can see us in our glory.
Alrighty.
What
Let's
is
go.
this?
I don't know. Does that go under the chin?
Alright, let's go. Okay, let's get our pink on. Do I look good in pink, Phil? I should have worn my pink top. I own one pink top. All the rest of my clothing is black. Oh, Big Bay's there as well. Big Bay's like, where's my present? You'll graduate soon and then you can get your present. What do you think? Do you like it?
Does
Do
it have
you like
licorice in it?
Real girl. She should be super pumped. It's all a good size, which is good because so this is a cob size.
Oh, that chicken's a bit.
This is a cob size. We weren't sure. Oh, cat. I think this one's a bit small. Oh, what's it like? How good good does she look? Good girl. Good girl.
What do you think, Tash?
She's so cool.
Do you like your choice?
Yeah, I just need some pink to match her. So now if you want to see how her training's going, I'll show you her ride from yesterday. Okay, so we're just Little Brown. She is so lovely. I'm blown away by how sensitive she is. She's actually a lot more sensitive than Big Bay. And when I bought them, it was totally the other way around, which is so, so cute. And Little Brown is very sensitive around Aurora, I should call it by her name. Very sensitive around the contact and that feeling of I want her to go into the contact. She needs to turn into a little dressage horse, so she needs to kind of let me in and allow me to push her legs into her, like, let me push her legs so her back can come up and so she can lower her head. And you can see she doesn't love that. She doesn't love the feeling. She doesn't love that. And if I make the tiniest little mistake or am a little bit just not incredibly perfect, she doesn't love that. She doesn't like change, this horse. She likes absolutely the same consistency all the time. And this is actually her trickier side. So you can see it's getting better and better, and of course it'll always get better and better. And that's the thing, I'm glad to show you these videos, because if you're riding your OTTB and they're going around with their head in the air and tossing it up every now and then, it happens. It's a huge balance issue as well. You can see my trot's slower, and I've slowed it down because she's almost tripping and losing her balance, and I just want her to, I'm trying to get her to sit on her hind leg. I'm trying to get her to get in a better balance, but obviously I don't want her to go slow. I don't want her to go fast either, but I want her to have an active hind leg, but to sit on the hind leg. And if you chase the hind leg too much, then obviously you're going to fall on the forehand and get really strung out. If you don't have an active hind leg, you also might not, you're not going to get anywhere. So I'm balancing the speed with the activity, which is really, really tricky. And you can see at times it's better and at times it's worse. And this side is her worst side, so it's not as good. But you'll see now that I come over to this side, she's just happier to go a little bit more consistently. And that's, I think, more about how she feels in her body. You can see I'm kicking quite a lot with my left leg, my inside leg. And that's just because she's wanting to fall in. She's not wanting to stay straight. You can see as she came around that corner, she really dropped on her inside front. And I want her to, I keep thinking of trying to prop up the motorbike. I want to send her more to the outside, and she wants to fall to the inside. But you can see the actual head connection and the steadiness is a little bit better on this side, and that's just because she's stronger on this side. So it's really a case of building that strength. And then in the canter, I think we get the wrong leg. So I'm really struggling. Again, I want to be in control of her canter. I want to make sure I know where she is, and I don't want her to, the biggest thing is I don't want her to run into the canter transition, but we kind of are. So wrong leg, let's get back to trot. And then you can see the head tossing comes along, and she gets worried, not in a, I'm going to bolt away, crazy eye kind of way, but she's like, oh, well, I can't possibly canter with my back up and with my hind leg under. I need to get away from this. I need to get away and figure out a way that's easier for me to do the transition. And I'm just quietly going, and then she's falling in more and she's falling around, and I'm like, no, I need you to keep your body exactly where it is. I need you to keep everything going how it needs to go to build the right muscles. And you can see her muscles are definitely growing, her neck's better, her hind legs, I'm looking at her bum going, when's that going to grow? But it slowly will, and everything's going to come good. And obviously I think the canter is the trickiest bit. When you're riding a horse, I always think walk's easy level, trot's medium level, and canter is like the advanced level if you're in a video game. and you can see it all kind of falls apart. I would like it to stay all pretty, and one day it will. I can't wait to show you the video of my beautiful trot canter transitions coming effortlessly from the seat. But right now, today, we don't have that. And that's okay. That's why I do these videos, and that's why I'm out here showing it to you, because I could just keep her private for 6 months and then show you what she's turned into. But hopefully this helps everyone who's on this journey to feel not so alone, and that it's okay. And that it is tricky. I'm finding this really tricky to find the balance and to find the connection and to find the personality of the horse to let me in so I can play with it. It's all very, very interesting and fun and enjoyable, even though it does feel a bit like a crazy, crazy ride at the same time. And you can see I'm just checking cool, and if we go around the arena, you can see she's not straight. She's actually really, really crooked. So it's a constant thing of getting her to fill out that outside shoulder more, but create bend in the rib cage as well. She's a block of wood, like a plank of wood. She can't bend, but she also can't be straight either, which I know is a little bit of like, that doesn't make sense. If you're a plank of wood, then you're straight, yes. But the plank of wood is tilting to the inside or to the outside, and it's dead straight. I want it to come on the parallel and bend like a banana that way, but stay upright. So these are just all the things that, you know, that's what you're working on to turn a horse into a dressage horse. And I really appreciate her. I really love her, because it's not what she was bred to do. It's not anything that she knows. She's in kindergarten right now, in some primary school, and her personality does get a little bit worried when I'm trying to teach her. So it's really cool from my point of view, because I have to be like, cool, I have to find a way to teach her that keeps her confidence. Whereas Big Bay, she's immune. She doesn't care. She's quite happy to learn and quite happy to make mistakes and quite happy to bumble along, and she doesn't have an emotional reaction. But Aurora is a lot more sensitive and a lot more anxious and worried about her learning journey. She's a little bit like my daughter, which is hates to make a mistake, hates to fail, hates to get it wrong, she gets anxious about that. And my job is to be like, it's all cool, relax, laugh. I expect mistakes. Mistakes are welcomed. Nothing bad's going to happen to you. If you make a mistake, I'm not going to bash you. I'm not going to yell at you. I'm going to laugh, and we're just going to try again and do it again. And that's what I basically have to teach her. I have to build her confidence and make it okay if she makes a mistake, or, you know, to feel confident in the learning journey. As I said, Nova, the Big Bay, she's really confident in her learning journey. She's like, I got no idea what you want. But she's not worried about having no idea what I want. Whereas Aurora is worried if she doesn't understand what I want, and is sensitive around that. So she just needs a lot more love and more sensitivity on my part, which is tricky. Like, as a rider, of course you want to be sensitive. But if a horse requires more sensitivity of you, you've got to find that and bring that. So she will go as good as I go, and yeah, fun and games. So I trust you enjoyed it. I can't wait to show you her and all her pink, and I'll see you guys next time.